Good morning, class. Today is your revision class. Now let's begin revision of chapter addition and subtraction. What is addition? Addition means to put together and to contain together, right? Yes. And now we talk about first addend and sum. What is addend and what is sum? When some numbers are added like this and this, then each of the number to be added is known as addend. This is an addend. This is also an addend. And the resultant is called, the result obtained after addition is called sum, right? Yes. Now under addition, two types of addition: addition without carrying, or second is addition with carrying. Now we talk about addition without carrying, right? Now arrange the addend under each other in the place value chart and them column wise from right to left. Then first add the ones and then the tens, then the hundred, and so on. It means, suppose two numbers are given, right? Now step 1 is arranging the given digits in column wise, right? Like this. Now adding right to left, right? Yes. Now adding first adding ones, now adding tens, now adding 100, now adding 1000, and now adding 10,000, right? Yes. So now step 1 is, this is example number 1, add 41367 and 24512. It means 76314. It means 41,367, right? And this is called as 24,512, right? Yes. Yes, arranging the addends column wise and adding column wise, right? And step 1 is adding ones. 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 is 8 or 9. 9? Yes. So we have to write 9 in ones column, right? Yes. Now adding tens. 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7 is, 6 plus 1 is 7. So write 7 under tens column, right? Now adding 100. 3 plus 5. 3 and 5 more. 3 and 5 more. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? So write 8 under 100 column. Now adding 10,000. So 1 plus 4. Suppose 1 and add more. Add 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many fingers do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So write 5 under 1000 column. Now adding 10,000. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 5, 6. So write 6 under 10,000 column. So 65879 is called 65,879 is called as sum, right? Yes. Now let's take another question. Yes. For adding, arranging the given digit in column wise, right? So the right place value chart: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh, right? Yes. Now adding ones. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is 9 and 9 plus 0 is 9, right? So write 9 under ones column, adding right to left, right? Now adding tens. 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is 6 and 6 plus 3 is 7, 8, 9. So write 9 under tens column. Now adding 100. 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4 is 5, 6, 7, and 7 plus 2 is 9. So write 9 under 100 column. Now adding 1000. 6 plus 1 is 7 and 7 plus 1 is 8. So write 8 under 1000 column. Now adding 10,000. 5 plus 3 is 6, 7, 8. So write 8 under 10,000 column. Now adding lakh. 7 same as 7. So 7, 8, 8, 999 is called as sum. Right? Yes. Now step 1 is question is arranging the following numbers in column and find their sum. So step 1 is arranging the following digits in column wise. Suppose 2, 3, 6, 3, 8, 1, 6, 1, 5, 0, 3, right, and 2, 0, 1, 2, and 0, 0, 0, 1, right. This is ones place, this is tens place, this is 100 place, this is 1000 place, and this is 10,000 place, and this is lakh, right. Now adding column wise. Yes, step 1 is adding ones. 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, and 9 plus 0 is 9. So write 9 under ones column. Now adding tens. 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 0 is 9, and 9 plus 0 is 9. So write 9 under tens column. Now adding 100. Adding 100. 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is 8, and 8 plus 1 is 9, and 9 plus 0 is 9. Now adding 1000 column. 6 plus 0 is 6, and 6 plus 2 is 8, and 8 plus 1 is 9, right. Now adding 10,000 column. 3 plus 3 is 6, and now in lakh, adding lakh, 2 is 2, right. Yes. So this is called as 2,69,999. This is called as sum, and these are addends, right. Okay, thank you class.